Good afternoon, it's Mathis here at Starling Chevrolet. We've been getting a lot of calls about these ATSVs, especially the black one that we have right here. But anyhow, just figured instead of going back and forth, sending pictures, I might as well just take a video of it so you guys can kind of get a good idea of what you're looking at here. But anyhow, so yeah, here's a picture of the tires. Let's see here, I've been getting a lot of inquiries. Some people have asked about the brakes, so this is a closer look up of the brakes and the wheels. So hopefully y'all can kind of get a better idea of what you're looking at here. Let's see here. This one is the one that's got the tan gold interior. So automatic. So here's a closer look at these wheels here. So just so y'all can get a little bit better, closer look of it. No sunroof on this one. Closer look at the wheels and tire on this side. Alrighty, and let's get one more of this tire here and wheel. There's a close-up of the wheels for you guys. Y'all have any questions, just shoot me a text message, 407-243-8385. Once again, this is Mathis, Starling Chevrolet of Orlando.